So here's a small guitar amplifier. Here's a small preamp with 2 transistors and a phototransistor. And that is connected to a guitar. So the signal from the guitar goes into the first stage of the circuit, a single transistor, which amplifies the signal. Then it goes into the second stage, a single transistor to amplify the signal. And instead of having a regular transistor on the third stage, there is an infrared emitter and a phototransistor. So the infrared emitter is pointed directly at the phototransistor. And then the output of that goes into the amplifier.